Can you believe we're already headed back to school? As you gather up supplies, don't forget to help your kids prepare their minds and bodies too. As they return to the classroom, kickstart their day with a nutrient-packed breakfast to boost brain performance and focus. This very exciting French toast panzanella fuels both the mind and body. The berries, nuts, and oats topping contain powerful antioxidants known to improve concentration. But the key ingredient, Eggland's Best Eggs, is the brainiest of all. Compared to ordinary eggs, EB eggs contain more than double the omega-3s, proven to help concentration and brain function. EB eggs also contain more than double the vitamin B12 to help improve memory and naturally boost energy. It's hard to focus on an empty stomach. The superior nutrition and protein packed into Eggland's Best Eggs will help your kids feel fuller longer. It's a straight A way to start the day. For more information, visit egglandsbest.com.